Hello and welcome back again. Have you ever wondered why some customers buy instantly while others never do? It's all about the marketing funnel. And today, in just 90 seconds, I will break it down for you simply. At the top, we have awareness. This is where you grab attention with ads, social media posts, SEO, or even viral videos. This is the first stage of the funnel. Next is consideration. This is the second stage of the funnel. Now that they know you, it's time to educate and try to convert them to become real buyers. Think like using email newsletters, explainer videos, product comparisons. And at the bottom of the funnel, we have conversion. This is where decisions happen. Offers, free trials, testimonials. All designed to close the deal. There is one big mistake related to this part of the funnel. Most businesses focus only on the bottom. But if you ignore the top and middle, your funnel dries up. Great marketing moves people through every stage with value, not just offers. Now you know the funnel. Ready to build yours. This is the end for today. Please follow our channel for more marketing tips. Thank you and goodbye.